Kachinang bun ki brio ki bayok ko beta kachala. Kala pelong suka jala manwar ki laklanti kumdu mat pun shushu ki jaka sumar nakamanta ki tu ki bepet yote kunya Jepang. Nakaliang menteri ko yakya by elhek. Hulong bala kachington ki papang kaya biteng kumni ki bansi pan kamsi por ya ki bius tal kebaran ha sauli kum ko jaka sumar ya ki papang ko bet.
Sauli TB Hospital mentang sipol ngina penggalano ya ka pungka COVID hospital. Tiga jam pengkere ya ke ban pelong ya ka COVID hospital nang ya cikaman. Tilaong ya ka health engineering wing menehi bakin ne lo ya ka estimate bagai kam ya cikaman bat kiwi-kiwi ki kam penggala ya ka COVID hospital. Nang iklan ni kataru even mentang we need another kanika corona care center. We should have like whatever having in the other state, in football ground, in a big field, in a big place. We need to set up the Corona Care Center for A and B category only. So that the duty of our health department to go and identify the place. If it is in football ground, or it be in the stadium, or it will be in any big indoor hall, this has to be identified. We should lay out the big Corona Care Center to accommodate people as much as many. If we have any eventuality, that we are prepared. Mengkalia kajungi menda ngidan sispa kliki COVID beds. Ke menda gabang ngidan di COVID balong hospitalization menda badan dan arfun nyungut. Lagi arfun nyungut kilom kritikal. Jadi kategori need but ventilation.